Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Bolt Food app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bolt Food app and tap on the profile icon on the right bottom corner. And here you have to tap on settings and tap on language. And here you will see all the languages. And if you would like to change to a language, then tap on it. And here you can see it's already changed. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.